Hi everyone, my name is Stella and welcome to today's Kiswahili lesson. Karibuni sana. We continue with our series on negation tips, and today we are going to focus on the future tense. Wakati ujao, the future tense. So the tense indicator for the future tense in Kiswahili is ta. Now, to help us learn how to negate, we are going to use the verb kuleta. Kuleta is the verb to bring. So we are going to break it down both in the affirmative and the negative. So when you look on the affirmative side, we first of all have to identify our pronouns. Ni stands for I. U stands for you, one person. A stands for he or she. Tu stands for we. Stands for you, many people, plural. And then wa stands for they. So let's break it down under I. So if I want to say I will bring, it will be nita leta. I will bring. Now, what do you think the rest should be? Follow the same example and break it down. Now let's move on to the negative side. If I want to say I will not bring, the first thing I need to identify are the negators. Just to quickly remind us about our negators, the negator for ni, which is I, is si. The negator for u, which is you singular, is hu. The negator for a, which is he or she, is ha. The negator for tu, which is we, is hatu. The negator for you, plural, which is in Kiswahili, is ham. And finally, the negator for wa, which is they, is hawa. So again, for I, if I want to say I will not bring, it is si taleta. So the negation for future tense in Kiswahili is pretty simple. All you need to do is to replace the pronoun ni with the negator si. This is for the first case, I. What do you think the rest of these sentences should be in the negative? Try it out. Now, let's answer these questions in the negative to practice what we have just learned. The first question is, utaleta pesa kesho, which means will you bring money tomorrow? So hapana, complete it. The next question, ataleta mtoto baadaye, will she bring the child later? Again, your answer should begin with hapana, which means no. Complete it. Then mtaleta vitabu shuleni, will you bring the books to school? Will you, in this case, many people. So again, your answer should begin with hapana, then complete it in the negative. Finally, wataleta bidhaa mpya, will they bring new goods? Will they bring new goods? Bidhaa are goods, mpya, new. So again, your answer should be hapana, and then complete your answer in the negative. That's it for today's lesson. Until next time, kwaheri.